want to discover, we have from what we discovered, and that's what we are going to practice with today. We are integrating into Telegram.
Telegram, yeah.
Yeah, we are integrating into Telegram.
Version.
Yes, that's the previous version of what we have. It we do for what we want to pass across this class. Then subsequently, peradventure you have access to, paid ones.
Yeah, paid one, the WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger and other Telegram, Instagram too.
So you can also explore it. Okay, but what you're going to get today is enough practice to see the concept that we are trying to pass across. The people online, can they hear me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, and for those of us online, I'm just saying exactly the same thing, that what we have today is enough to pass across our message, especially about the concept of integrating your chatbot to your social media handles or your business platforms or your websites and so forth. We are going to be practicing with Telegram today. For those of us that have Telegram, beautiful. Those of us that are not having Telegram, we can always sign up to it, okay? We can always subscribe to it, and then it's free. This is the freest version that we can use right now. But I know that we have so many rich people amongst us. Yeah. You have access to the software. You can always explore. Enough of my talking. Just like I told you, the star of today practical is our technical lead, Mr. Ahmad. He showed me this. In fact, I was discussing with him, and then we worked with DocBot. And we wanted to use the DocBot, and then he came up with something more beautiful, seamless, and powerful. So he's going to be giving you the demonstration, and I'll go upstairs and I'll monitor the other slides that I promised those online that I'll be able to give to them. Are we ready?
Yeah, that's fine.
Over to you.
Good afternoon, class. Nice to meet you. So today we are going to do the practical aspect of what she just told you now. We are going to integrate bot, that's an AI bot, to our social media handles, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and so forth. So same way we are going to do in the Telegram, that's the same way you can do it to all your other social media handles. So we are just going to show you how it's been done, the API, same procedure like the other one we did the other last week, that's by API machines. So we are going to do that. So I hope you guys are ready now. So like earlier, she said that she's going to share the slide with you. I can't show you the slide over here because of the power outage over here. We are going to do it like orally. I'm going to show you where to log in the website so that you can go on. So are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. So we're going to go. Who can remember the last class what we did? Like just the link of what we did the last class. That's like Dr. Juliet, yes. Dialog flow, yeah. Dialog flow, yeah. So we are going to do console, yeah. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, but this one is kind of a little bit different from the other one.
Okay.
Yes. So now we are going to go. Can you go to your search engine? That's google.com.
Do I have your permission to go online? I mean, upstairs.
Upstairs, yeah.
Is that okay?
Is that okay with you? Yeah.
Okay. Any questions?
Any question, please? Yeah. Okay, ma. That's kind of it. Okay. Please. Okay. Almost all of you have laptop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to go to google.com and kindly type Dialogflow console. Console, yes. I know many of you already have an account with them. Yes. So we are going to go Dialogflow console. Console, C-O-N-S-O-L-E. You can group yourself. So I'm going to start from the beginning for the online people too. Yes.
Yeah, now.
It's already there.
No cloud, not console.
No, there is console.
There is console. No, console, dialogue flow. Yes, it's already here now.
So are we finding?
You rock. Okay, it says we should go to dialogue flow.
Yes. For the online people, you can already see my screen, how it's been done. So I'm going to click on the dialog flow console. So my one is still loading. Are you already in yours?
This is Mark. Is there another?
Okay, so go to create engine.
Okay, great.
No, agent, sorry. Create agent. Create new agent, yes. Create new agent.
No,
That's
different one. Great agent.
it's new agent.
Okay, new agent.
Yes.
Great
Yes.
Yeah.
So create new agent. So since now we are trying to integrate the dialog flow to our Telegram, we are going to name this one. For me, you can choose any name you want, but just remember, don't give you a space. Whatsoever you are going to do, just make it an underscore. If you want to give you a space between it, make sure that it's underscore.
File A.
Yeah. So for me, I'm going to name it Telegram. I'm going to name it Telegram bot 5. That's what I'm going to name mine. Yes. Yeah, the engineer over there is going to help you guys. No, we are going to take the light.
We're talking about global.
So we are going to name it, then we are going to create like this. So it's going to show you working. Meaning is trying to create the, what I call it, agents we are trying to do now. That's the Telegram underscore bot. Right? It's going to show you working. Yes. So that's when it's going to. So when it's done, so you are going to go on to go and create your intents. But before you should create your intent, you have to create the intent name first. Yes. Mr. Abdullahi, Dave Abdullahi behind you. I'm trying to take along together with the online classes over here. Yes. I don't want to do like the other class when they said that we are not together with them. So I'm trying to take them along.
Okay, now now.
Okay, have you created the agent now?
The agent.
Okay, then save it now. Click at the create. At the other side now you have.
I've created it. And
Okay.
it said done.
Okay, intent now. Good. So the first intent, you can name it now. Welcome intent, address intent, question intent, whatsoever you want to name it, it all belongs to you. So as for me, I'm going to like welcome intent. Welcome intent. That's for me. When you are done with that,
There's something that they say default welcome intent.
default welcome intent where?
Just do I need to put the intent? Welcome.
No, you can add anything. You can say welcome. Yes, welcome message.
One word or I can use space.
Okay, yes, you can talk to your other.
Can I place it in space like
Yes,
that?
yes. when you are done, I'm just going to go to the training pages. Sorry for the online people. I'm trying to take the physical class online. So when I'm done with that, I can go to my training phrases. I can write something.
The training phrases.
Hello, my name is Telegram. So after you have created your intent, you can go down. Yes, no, just leave it first. You can go down to the training phases. Then you can write like, hello, my name is Telegram bot 5,
Where will I write?
whatsoever, training phases.
I've done the art, you take art, training phases.
Yes, then go down, go and add whatsoever you want to add. That's a question. It's like a question. When someone asks that kind of question, that's the response it's going to give you. We are going to go to that responses side now.
I should type it now.
Yes.
Add expression.
So hello.
Hello.
Anything of your choice.
Okay, so this is for the welcome event.
Yeah, that's for the
When
welcome.
anybody says anything.
Anything particularly to that hello, my name is Ahmed, then it's going to give you the response you have programmed that place with.
In this training phase, are we putting user response? User, what
I
is
know.
that?
So now, you understand. You are the master of what they are going to ask you. It's like a business. Maybe you are selling food. So you already have what exactly the menu what you are going to sell out. So you are going to put all that menu in the training phrases. Then the response is yes, we only have 1. Yes, we only have 3. Yes, we only have 5. So whenever they ask a question peculiar to that one, it's going to give you that direct responses, not going out of line of what you didn't even program the bot. So that's what we are trying to say, that the intent you already created is what going to be the response is going to give to the user using the bot. So even though you don't have Telegram in your laptop, we can still use the Telegram in your phone. Yes, we can use the Telegram in your phone. After you created the bot over here, we can use the Telegram in your phone. So that you can just send it to anybody, ask some questions. When you have more questions, you can go and program it again here at Dialog Log. Then the person can react to the bot again. It's going to tell them exactly the response. So that's how smart it is.
Now, this is where it's appearing. Are we right?
No, it's a question. You give it anything. Phrases depend on
So
you.
my name is Telegram bot 3.
Telegram bot 3, Mr. Khalifa. Yeah, Telegram bot 3. Okay. So whenever someone asks the bot, hello, please, what's your name? That's the kind of response it's going to give.
Okay, so now I'm understanding. So it's not what we are putting in this training.
Yeah.
Like response from our board
Yes.
to any
Question. So you are still going to go to the response intent and go and do exactly. Yeah, exactly. The response you are going to put that question you just did over there.
Okay, we thought this, so what next?
Okay, so go now to the response. Hello, my name is.
Okay, hello, my name is.
Telegram bot 5. That's for me. Underscore bot 5.
I should repeat what I did that day.
No, it depends on you, sir. Whatsoever you want to program your bot with. If you want to say and tell, like, as for me, I'm trying to say hello. My name is Telegram bot 5.
Where I set it down, the same thing.
Okay, so what kind of response do you want to give that kind of question if it's asked?
Hello, my name is Telegram bot.
Okay.
How may I help you?
All that depends on you. Just give it the phrase incomplete. Yeah.
Hi, may I help you?
Hi. Okay, sorry. Hello for the online user. Hello. Hi.
How may I help you?
So I'm going to go to responses, add my own response
Hi,
for
how
this.
may I help you?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, I can put another one. Nice to meet you.
No, that's what I'm trying to do on my own, sir. You already did your training phrases, right? Then go for the response. When a question is being asked, like hello, hi, then the response is going to be what you.
This is my.
Yeah.
Hi, how may I help you?
My name is Telegram But 5.
And Telegram for 3.
How can we go back to
Okay, what next?
Okay, have you done your responses?
Is it only one response?
You can put multiple, but just the way the more you give it a response, just make sure that you already give it the training phrases that is going to respond to that.
Call and respond.
Yeah, call and respond. Call and respond. Huh? You have created it? Okay, Mr. Abdullah is going to come over there.
So I think about it's not just to shuffle.
Are we together? For the online people, are we together? So this is what I've done on my own page.
Who is supposed to who is responding? It's not the vote that's responding.
Yes, both.
But at the beginning, I supposed not to say my name is Telegram vote.
No, it's me. That's why I said what you are trying to program your bot is different from what I'm trying to program mine. So this is the training phrases. So the training phrases is like hello, hi. That kind of question maybe they might ask me. So whenever someone asks me, like for example, hello, okay, you just went up. It's a phrase. That's why it's called phrases. It has to be like hello. It's a greeting. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So whenever someone asks you good afternoon, then the response is going to be nice to meet you. My name is Telegram bot 5. That's for me. The way I program mine.
Okay.
So that's for me. So I'm going to save mine. That's the welcome intent. I'm going to go only with one. I'm going to create another one again.
How are you?
I'm going to create another intent again, like an address.
How are you? How are you? Who is bringing this in now? I hope not. Okay, now I say, hi, my name is.
I live
Hi.
as serious.
My name is.
I'm trying to. So for the online people, can you see my screen? I'm sorry. I'm trying to.
Yeah, but
Oh, why am I slow?
just
So address. I'm going to say I'm dialog flow.
parameters are the response. Good three. Where do you get your line is now? How may I help you? Okay.
Okay, so you're already in another intent.
Okay, and
Okay, I get it now.
You can easily search
okay, and see. We said,
for me.
hello, how are you? He says, hi, my name is Telegram. And
So if you want
how
to,
can I help you?
so now when you are trying to, when you already add the phrases and you already add the responses, you can go to the other. You can see there's a what are they called, the top right menu. That's how you can see there's try it now. Go there and go and say hello. Yes, write hello over there to see exactly what is going to respond to you now.
I think you should say first.
You have to save it first. Yeah, definitely.
Yes, that's it.
No, even though you didn't save it, you can still do that too. Yeah, just go and write it hello over there. So as for me, okay, sorry. Sorry, users.
This is my first one.
You can easily search for me through Google's search engine.
So what next?
So just one question.
As you run it down, it's not.
Where do
It's usually the problem of this is that you
Where
always
is
see
your
the default
application?
response. Teacher,
Yes, sir.
the problem of this,
Yes, sir.
the challenge on this is that usually people brings up the default responses.
I don't understand. Default response is like what?
They couldn't come from the system. See my question.
Okay, so this is your police, right?
This is my own.
When you got
I asked it here. Please.
so you haven't given the response.
This is not, it's not this.
What?
They see the response. See the response. Ah.
Let me ask that question. Let me ask that.
Just set up.
Allow state to evaluate. How can I assist? How may I?
Whatever you do, you will say.
Yeah.
What is like your, can you imagine, this is, so that's the host, you want to add to host.
Okay.
Many of them, and what applications you have, that is the response.
So we are going to the location. So aside from that, when you are done with that, that's the address. So for the online people, sorry, I want to answer some question over there. I'm trying to correct my English over here. So you are going to go to the integration part. But aside from that, when you want to know exactly what you did, you can easily go here. You can easily go here and try it out, like hello. Good day, what can I do for you today? So you can see the training phrases here. That's the hello. Then you can see the responses. Nice to meet you. My name is Telegram. So that's exactly what it's going to give you. So now what I can notice over here is using the default responses, so which I'm going to remove it now. Okay, sir. So are you together with me now? Okay, sir. Okay, where are you exactly?
Added both the response and the user expression.
Okay.
How do we get an exact response to the question?
Did you say user response? Mr. Ahmed Abdullah. For the online, I'm just trying to check. Nice to meet you. My name is Telegram Bot 5. So now my bot engine is working perfectly now. So I'm going to go to the integration part. I already saved what I did, my intent. I already saved both of my intents. So I'm going to go and search for Telegram. As you can see so many text-based application over here. That's the web demo, Dialogflow, Messenger. We have the Messenger from Facebook, Workplace from Facebook, Slack, Telegram, Line. So I'm going to click on Telegram. So it's going to generate a very medium, what are they calling it, bar for you, the screen over here, which is telling you that you should give it a Telegram token over here. So for the Telegram token, we are going to go to our Telegram application and we are going to search for that. So when you go to your Telegram, when you first of all log into your Telegram, you are going to type in bot further. Bot further. So immediately when you are done searching for bot further, you can see it over here. That's the verify. You can see the verify logo over here. So you click on it. So when you click on it, as for me, I've already used it like multiple times, not today. So but I'm trying to like put you through on how to use it. So that's for the new user, you are going to say hash, what are they calling it? /new. That's what you are going to type after you start the bot. So when you start the bot, it's going to ask the question, all right, a new bot, how are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Telegram bots. Yes, sir. Trying to show them how we just the I don't know where she is. Maybe she should be in her office. I'm trying to walk. I don't know. Come to my office in town. Maybe after. Yeah, I think she did like 30 minutes. Then she yes.
This is 3 hours close.
What's your
Another one.
So you are going to type it, all right, a new bot, how are you going to call it? Please choose a name. So for me, I'm going to say, I want to call it like Amy.
Another big one. To us.
No, are you already done training your intent, your welcome intent with you? Okay, are you guys done now? Your welcome intent, your feedback intent, your responses, all you can do that and train that like that. Yeah, you can do anything. A question enter, it depends on what you want to program the bots. Yeah. So you can create as many as you want. If you want to create like welcome, so anything about welcome, like the hello, hi, greeting messages, anything phrases like that, you can put it over there. Anything feedback, you can put it over there, like how may I help you? Okay, thank you for choosing this. I'm going to contact you back. So that's where I'm going to put all that. So, sir, when you are done with that, you can open your Telegram channel now. You can use it through the laptop, or you can use your phone. Yeah, your Telegram, platform. You can access it now. That depends. You can use it maybe on the laptop, or you can use it on the phone. That depends on you.
Oh yeah. So after the internet, right?
Yeah. If you are done creating the intent, putting the phrases, training the phrases, then putting the responses. If you are done with that, then let's go to the Telegram channel now, platform now. So I'll be a little slow. So I'm still together with the online people over here. So already a new bot, how are you going to call it now? So for me, I'm going to call it Amy.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm already together. We are together. We're going together with the online people. Mr. Ahmed Abdullah is going to go along with you guys, so that I'm going to like take along together with the online class. If you have Telegram now, you can start opening your Telegram over here, either your phone or your laptop PC. So when you go into your Telegram now, you can go to that search icon over there, type in bot father. Bot father. Yes. Bot father. Bot. Yeah. Yes. Eh? No, you have to type it like full. Bot father. Yes, search for bot father. No, search for it. That's your Telegram channel, yeah. Yes, and you can see a guy, yeah, verified, yeah. So now it's going to tell you to start. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I'm sorry for the online people. Yeah, good. Okay, now let's choose a username for you. Yeah. So it's going to ask you like, what kind of name do you want to name your bot? So for me, I'm going to like say, I want to name this my bot Amy _bots. _bots.
So I should click on it.
He's trying to carry the online one.
Everything is season, I don't know why.
So I'm trying to search for the appropriate name that I'm going to use over there. Let me say party bot.
We'll click on the report.
Almost everything that I have in my brain has already been taken. So I'm going to keep searching for the name. So have you started the engine?
Yes, you said no, you start.
Click on the bot further now. Yeah, then start. Start. Okay, then slash new. That's what we are going, new bot. New bot.
Let's start now.
Yes. When you click start, something will come up. Then
So we have create new web app, new bot, right?
New bot.
What I'm seeing here, new app.
Yes.
No.
There's no box.
They want now. Which time you click?
Oh, some bot.
New bot. How do you bot? Please use the name for the bot.
Yeah, then choose a name for a bot. Make sure that whatsoever name you are going to choose, make sure that bot is the last word you are going to use. So you can choose maybe your name, Mustafa _ bot.
Have to use the name that's related to
And the name of the
That depends on if it accepts, it's okay with me. If it doesn't accept, you have to keep choosing because now I'm trying to battle how to for it to accept some names. I'm trying to give it.
Okay, when I tap new box, I'm not saying.
So let me just do it like this. Yeah, then choose now.
Okay, create a new
Oh.
box.
I'm trying to battle to choose a name over here. Do anyone have an idea of what kind of bot should I name my own?
Cookie.
Cookie, yeah. Thank you. Underscore. Wow. Once.
He said new box. He said a new box.
So as for me, someone gave me something. So cookie _10 bots. As for me, I've already created mine now.
Okay, I should create.
You know, she already gave me something like an idea of what to name my bot, and I did that. So I'm going to copy this code over here.
Page M, I'm going to put my own.
That's the
Page
okay. Control C. So this is the kind of token you are going to copy over here. That's the HTTP API. So this is the token you are going to choose. Yeah. Seriously, man. Seriously, man. Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah.
And you want to put the bot.
Yes, definitely. You have to put the bot. So as for me, I'm going to go and paste my bot's ID. Then I'm going to start the engine. So now for you to test run that, you have to go to your Telegram channel. You have to go to your Telegram channel. So here you are going to see t.me/cookie_10_bots. So that's your link for the bot. So you are going to click it now. So this is my name, the ID. If you can remember the army I wrote over there, and then this is the bot over here. So I'm going to start the bot now. So if you can remember the kind of question I trained my phrases, the training phrases I already imputed in the dialog bot, that's what it's going to show over here. So if you can remember, my first intent was hello. Then I'm going to write it down over here. Nice to meet you. My name is Telegram _bot5. So far so good. That's the kind of intent I already did in mind. You can also go back there and go and reprogram, give it more intent if you want. Hello, are we together? Yeah? So copy.
Online, I hope we are following.
So what was agent created? How old are you? Then ask them how old are you? How old?
So those of us online, you can put your questions down.
You can ask a question. That's a thing we need to do.
This is right.
Yes.
This is right.
Okay, so now copy this token.
This is right.
Okay, copy this token now. Okay. Now post it in the talent. So go to the integration part.
Okay, I will copy it along.
No, just the token. Go down. Pause. Keep going down. Go to Telegram. Copy others. All that. From 7, 8.
The end. Where? This is where it ended.
You are going to paste it in the description. Yes, they can use their phone. So you more easier.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
And they are not saying, okay, online people are not.
Yeah, they are not asking any question for now.
Which means what?
Yeah. So for the online people, even aside you already created your own bot, you can also update your intent by going to your intent box and giving it more intent, like creating more and more. Yeah. Please, if you have any question, okay, we are following, man. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Anna Salisu Adam. Should we what? So that no. Slide. So for the online user, are you still having any difficulty with yours? So is it working perfectly? Okay, so paste it now. Go to the integration part. That's the below over there. You're going to see it over there.
Below.
Yes. There is integration. Check. You have to check it carefully here. Then click on it. Yes. Now when you click on it, scroll down. You are going to see Telegram. There's also Messenger, Telegram, bot. Then click on it.
Okay.
Then you are going to paste what you copy now over there. So you can go to the intent, create as many questions, create as many addresses, many feedback, you name it. Then you can post it at the Telegram. Okay, then start. Have you pasted? Yes, as in the bot for the Telegram, you know, we have to create new. You have to create new. Yeah. So you have to be careful with the kind of name. But you know, when you are trying to create even the new name, most of the name are already been taken because everyone is using it. Yeah. Yeah. So you don't need to like, if you have a business, you can just like activate a bot, just give it to anyone to like train it on what kind of response is going to give to user when they ask it. Maybe you might not be online, then you can just train it quickly, whatever. Yeah, that's what they do. Yeah. Maybe when you ask a question like, please, can I buy a food? Then it's going to tell you, okay, nice to meet you. Just keep you accompanied. Then when you're online, it's going to notify you. Then someone is trying to like chat you up. Then before you know, you take your orders. Then that's all. So that's as easy as that. So for the online people, okay, no, everything is correct here, sir. So I'm lost. Okay, Hajara Abdul Malik, please, where are you lost so that I can take you again? Exactly where are you lost from? Do you have any issue? So what's your bot name? Let me send me your link. Let me see what's your bot name. Give me your bot name so that I can search it through the Telegram. That's serious. Cookie. Miss Cookie. Madam Cookie. Oh. Yeah, what's your bot name so that I can search for you?
Okay, for me?
Yes. Have you activated yours?
Yes.
What's the bot name?
Faith bot 1.0 underscore.
Faith underscore 1.0.
Sorry, can I ask, is it case sensitive?
What? Yes.
Okay, so the F is a capital.
Yeah, it's key sensitive. You have to be very cognizant with that because it's like you're just doing a little programming over here, but just a little preparing of it. So Hajara Ibrahim, the creation of Telegram. Okay, so for the creation of Telegram, you have to go to BotFada. That's for the online users. Search for BotFada. When you search for BotFada, then click on it. It's going to take you to a forum like this. Then you are going to start the engine because I already started my over here. Been to boot. That's a very good name you created over there. No, someone online was like, she created a bot, she named it Bintu Bots. Yeah, her name maybe is Bintu, then she together with bots. So you are going to write underscore new bots, just like this. So when you do that, then you are going to name it whatsoever you want. Maybe ha 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 ha. I want to name it like that. Then for the next part, we are going to like give it a bot name, ha 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 underscore bots. If it accept, then that's okay. Then we are going to keep searching for another name. Actually, that's the hardest part I'm having today. Trying to search for a name. Let me see, simile underscore bots. Still taking.
Is it AIREM?
A-R-I.
No, AIREM.
Okay, AIREM underscore bots.
Oh my God.
Okay.
AIREN.
AIREN underscore bots.
Oh my
Still
goodness.
So let me use this one, the Bintu bots. Okay, let me just say bolts. No, already
See, I
taken.
didn't see the boat. The boat
You created. As I don't understand. You have to go into your Telegram. That's the social media handle. That's Telegram itself. Then you are going to search for it. Let me see something. There's a link in top. Log into Telegram. Where's the Telegram?
Telegram, those things. This is the Telegram.
Yeah, we got a name.
Go to bot for that just did. I want to see the last message
We
again.
got the name already.
Okay. So we get a penny that bot. So I hope the online user okay. Details. So you can see the way I'm doing it. That's for Hajara Abdul Malik. So it's going to generate a token over here like this. Let me see, sir. So this is your bot. I'm going to click this link. So I click this link.
I brought me to this place.
So that's your link. Okay. So have you integrated with your?
How do I integrate?
You already
Yes,
done
no,
that.
I've done that. That's why I got to this place now.
Hi. How are you doing? So that's the question. That's the response you already created, right?
That's what I was looking for. Let me look for it there. I didn't see
No,
it there.
that's the
I want to
intent,
see.
the intent you created.
Yes.
Yeah, it should be there now. Check it.
I was checking for.
Welcome. How did you even name it?
I said,
No, that's the overall intent. How did you name it?
Telegram.
Okay, Telegram.
Telegram.
Okay, then go there, search for Telegram. It has to be there. Click on the intent over there. So for the online user, so this is how we created our bot over here. You have to first of all have a token, generate a token over here. And when you generate a token over here, you have to click on it. That's copy it. Then go. Since we haven't created any intent regarding this one, I have to create a new engine. Let me start from the beginning again. So this new engine, I'm going to name it exactly what I've seen over there.
I can see my Telegram bot I created. No, the picture one I created.
That's
Do you want text it with him so he can know better? Please, you both should work together, and please, I want you both to explore more beyond this class. Okay?
So I'm trying to create the new agent here at the dialog flow. I'm trying to do it for the freshers who have not yet understand what we are trying to do over here.
I'm not saying it, that's my problem.
So the Ebony put, I'm trying to activate itself. So we are done with the activation now. So we are going to create the intent over here now. Create intents. So this time around, I'm going to name this intent as usual, welcome. I'm going to categorize this part as welcome. Then I'm going to the add training phrases.
You see your Telegram. No, your agency created.
Hi.
I saw this.
I want to say hi. Good day. And I'm going to add the responses that whenever a question is being asked like this, that's the kind of response it's going to be.
Okay, this one, the first one. you did.
Yeah, they already gotten it, but I'm still trying to take them along with. So, yeah.
Okay,
So I'm going to go to the add responses over there. Hello, hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How many internet again? Only did one, so I'm going to leave it at one. My name is Benny Bot. So I'm going to go to this site and I'm going to write hello and test my bot and see what I'm going to ask. So over here, the kind of issue we're having like this over here, I'm going to like edit this side. Now I'm going to try it again. Hello.
I want to. Okay, let me come back.
So I'm going to here to go and add mine. So this is the response I wanted to give. Yes. And I'm going to save it.
Please, what I'm saying here is.
Then I'm going to ask the question, hello.
Welcome.
And it's going to tell me, nice to meet you.
The words that I did, I didn't see.
I'm going to edit it. I didn't write it. My name is Ebony Boats. Yep. Then I'm going to go here and save it again. Then I'm going to ask again another question again, just to make sure that yes.
Okay, the first one I did was hello, then second one, then your location.
My name is Ebony Boats. So you can see exactly what I'm trying to do. So this is also the diagnostic flow. So when I'm done with that, I'm going. If you remember vividly, I already copied my token. This is the token I created the other time. That's for the Ebony Boats. So I'm going to copy on this token over here. Then I'm going to go back to my dialog flow. I'm going to the integration system. Then I'm going to search for the Telegram. That's this. And I'm going to paste the token I've created earlier. Then I'm going to start the engine.
Oh.
So when I do start my engine, I'm going to go back to my Telegram. So there's a link here. Don, congratulations on your new board. You will find it at tmebony.board_. So I'm going to click this. It's going to redirect me into my page that I created earlier. If you can remember the other time I created the username bot. So hello. It's going to give you that kind of response. We just like, nice to meet you. My name is Ebony Boats. So that's exactly how we did that.
That's how we did the integration.
Yeah.
I want you to practice more. Those of us that are online, you can see what Mr. Ahmed have been putting you through. I want you to try it on other platforms apart from Telegram. You have access to that. Please play along with it. And,
so if you can check, yes. So if you can check over here, there's a lot of platform over here you can even integrate it with. This all the API. Already have an API open source.
there's Skype there. And
There's Skype, there's Spark,
Messenger.
yeah, even Twitter, Viper, Twilio, and other stuff like that. Messenger, Facebook too. So this is the same procedure you can do to your other channels again. So for the bots, I think we're done with the. If there are any question online, so that I can answer your question regarding this practical session we just did now. If there's any question, please kindly ask so that we can go through again and tell you if there's any issue. Please also make sure that whenever you created your own bot, make sure that you don't stop it. Only close it. If not, it's going to stop to work.
Okay, you stop it.
It will stop automatically. You have to on it again back. Just say close, that's all. Just click on close. So you can also go back to your intent again and upgrade it and give it more question and train the bot. And the kind of responses it's going to give to the user who asks it frequent question, like maybe your business question, your most asked business question that are going to ask. Maybe you are selling car and you know that you want to some of your so maybe you are selling cars, so and you know your customer normally asks for Honda so much. So whenever they ask anything regarding Toyota, so whenever they ask a question regarding Honda, Toyota, it's going to give them a response directly on what you train the bot to and tell them to. Maybe you ask them about Toyota, it's going to tell them, okay, we have Toyota 6x4, 5x5, 7x5. So that depends on that. So you, since you are the one who is creating the bot, you are going to like you are the AI itself, so you are going to be the one who is going to train it all.
Okay, so you find even if you have please ask.
So,
That's the question.
Which kind of yeah?
there's this one that's when instead of them typing, they
Yes.
suggested things for them to just click.
Click on the yes, you can do that. Just put it in your intent. Maybe you have a link, you want someone to redirect someone to a link, then you put the link into the intent, then it's going to redirect to whatsoever link you are trying to direct them.
You know what's talking about?
Okay.
Options.
But options.
Yeah,
Instead of them sending messages that you don't have in your
intent still.
intent, yes.
Whatsoever you want to do is you don't have any boundary with that. You are just going to go to intent, then program it all over there. And then you are going to itemize it all one after the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then anyone they click is going to
That could be your web.
yeah.
No, I don't tell you.
So that's what you should yeah.
So that's really your first message. You brought that.
Mhm.
When you
No, you know the intent.
welcome to first, what's the name? Page one.
Paid
So instead of that, you could add the link to what you have access to. Like, welcome to Grace, whatever. These are the things that we offers.
Yes.
Then I'll be a link attached to each of them. So rather than asking questions, you can just click on it.
So do you understand now? So as
No, because I know that there are
that's
for example, cheaper app, like if you cannot just type any message unless maybe you search all the services and you not tell you, okay.
okay. If you have an issue like for the bank bot,
Yes.
yeah, you also do that already. So that's why we have intent. So this is the topic. That's the intent name. So you can name it. So what happens in welcome intent? Maybe hello, hi, maybe it's greeting, I'm going to go to the next one. So you are going to want to coach it, training. We have events, we have content, go down. We have a lot of them. We want to be fixing it one after the other. So whenever someone does not activate it, don't even need to ask the question, going to give them a list. Like a menu.
In the content.
Yeah, no, yeah, in the context, yeah. So whatsoever you want to send to the audience, going to do that.
For those of us that are just coming, you can, these two, they have created and then do something like that. That's the good practice for you. You can just go ahead. Because
So for now, Telegram for WhatsApp is not available. We don't want is not the free version of it. That's why. I think Dogboard is like for $7. Yeah.
the one we used last week, for those of us that were here last week.
Like 500, you have to pay like for a month.
But at least,
$7 my little token in Nigeria.
but at least we are, we understand this
Concept.
integration, right?
And
We
how-
can boldly integrate now and create the chatbot. So the aim is accomplished. Good. Any questions? Give them questions to me.
Yeah.
We'll stop it and then you help us
Yeah.
with it and then,
That should be better.
yeah, so that you can help them. Yes, please.
Last week, I wasn't here and there's no video like.
Yes, that's why we made extra efforts to make sure this one is
So it's
online.
been.
No, it's not the same. It's not the same, but it's easy to follow. That's why we're thinking of using Dotspot with WhatsApp today. But when we couldn't, we just went to the. But if you go through Dotspot again.
So for the online users,
Your own by now, I think.
since we don't have any question now,
You can
or is there any question you guys want to ask?
try it.
So I think, but there's no any question else online.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you that you are able to follow this way. My advice is that you practice some more. Don't just leave it at this. There is so much more to do. One of us asked us a question now that you can actually put links on your intent to trade and more. There's so much more to do with it. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for practicing. Thank you for following. All right, so that's the end actually of our practical session for this particular module. We have another class on Monday to cap it all up. You can come for that class with your questions. No, not physical, online. Online, you can bring your questions. When I say come, I always talk virtually as if I'm talking physically, but that's the real world we are in now. All right, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.
Just more using to be on what? You are taking us in the next one.
That if we don't have hope that we're using it.
Mr. Ahmed, sorry. Mr. Ahmed.
Yeah, I thought.